Hi guys, it's time for another model kit exhibition. Today I visited the PSMK 2023 exhibition, which is placed near where I live, in Budapest, and I visit this exhibition year by year. The word PSMK means Painting School Model Kit Club. Here is the poster of the exhibition. As you see, there is a special category today, which are the MiG-29 model kits. I wonder how many awesome MiG-29 model kits we will see today. Behind the entrance there is a marketplace for model kits, and like always every year, the military traditionalists are also came. It is lot to see for every taste. Why is it interesting to visit an exhibition's marketplace? This I will talk about later on the end of the video. These are the prizes. The special category has the coolest cup. It's shaped a MiG-29. But the highlight here is the exhibition. Let's see it. Well, we have a few very nice MiG-29s here. I don't think that the jury has had easy job to choose which one is the best, but I do know which one is my favorite. If you are familiar with my exhibition videos, then you know that I choose every time a favorite model kit. And this time is this small Millennium Falcon is my favorite from the film Star Wars. So as I mentioned it before, why is it interesting to visit an exhibition's marketplace? Because sometimes you can find good deals for rare or unusual model kits. And you know, unusual is one of my favorite words. You always will find a nice kit there which was on the wish list in the back of your brain. Well, what was on my wish list? I'll show you. I bought 4 model kits, and 2 of them are shares the same box. Oh yes, this is an IBG double kit box. It contains 2 model kits, a PZL-11 Fighter and a PZL-37 Bomber. I built IBG model kits before, and I know that these are very nice model kits. And IBG is a Polish company, so they know exactly how to make a model kit of a Polish airplane. This is what I call authentic. But I have 2 more model kits here. This is the Wing 72's Breguet 14 in 1/72 scale, a vacuform kit. And another one is the Supermarine Scimitar from the manufacturer Welsh models in 1/44 scale, another vacuform kit. So it will be more vacuform kit build on this channel in the future. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.